Continental Mark II. Big and impressive, but with no bulk, no unnecessary ornamentation. Just the sweep of wonderfully clean lines. Lines that are distinctive, from the slim top to that famous Continental rear deck. Lines that have a leanness, a lowness. Lines that give the Continental Mark II the feeling of motion and the poised beauty of a classic. In its engineering, every Continental asserts with final authority that America can produce quality second to none. And because this is a limited edition car, each Continental can be constructed with meticulous care, painstaking attention, with the most exacting craftsmanship. In the interior, for example, rich fabrics and imported leathers. In the finish, multiple coats of hand-rubbed lacquer. And when you drive the Continental Mark II, you know this car will do anything you ask of it, and do it so well, you feel it's almost a part of you. And you feel a great sense of security, too, of confidence. The Continental Mark II is smooth and quiet always, and on the open road, like riding with the wind. The Continental Mark II. It has no equal. It is simply and beautifully America's finest.